This, Schmidlap? You call this news? A story about how carbon monoxide could kill Albertans who idle their cars in their garages or at drive-ins? Or families who don't get their furnaces checked in the fall? That ain't news, Schmidlap. Everyone knows carbon monoxide kills. Nobody wants to think about that kind of stuff.
This station and the Office of the Chief Medical Examiner want you to think about it.
Now, the next time somebody actually dies from carbon monoxide, that's news.